welcome to Haynes Motor Museum. Life on two wheels, the British motorcycling story.
The exhibition is chronological, so it starts at the earliest bikes and moves up to the present day. We've aimed to include a wide range of different aspects and themes, such as engineering and innovation, bikes at work and war, and pleasure and leisure.
This is a really important exhibition because it's the first in a series that we will be launching over the next 3 to 4 years, using new methods of interpretation to reflect a much broader audience.
For 40 years, the museum has been developing to this stage. We now are standing on the cusp of a new era for the museum of interpreting and engaging with the general public, our visitors, our families, when they come to the museum with our STEM. And it's a really exciting moment for the museum.
So we've looked at different audiences in the exhibition. We've got interpretation boards which add that layered interpretation, that layered information, but we've also got hands-on interactives throughout the exhibition for our family audiences.